Okay, we are back. Kind of a night session. Didn't want to wait until the morning like I usually do, but I don't know. I just like doing a crypto update. So I was in Seoul and then I got out, went into, the graph, got out of the graph, went into, I forgot. It was down. It's not sushi. It was when I was jumping from one to the other today because a lot of them are down. I was trying to, yeah, I was in GRT. Oh, Ren, yeah, I was in there. Okay, I went from Ren and then just a lot of them, of course, started down, down, down. But Ren started dropping. So then I got out of that. I hopped into Farm. I'm in here. I got in about right there. I mean, it's the same area, this general area. Um, what's this? 272, like, yeah, somewhere around there. And you see the numbers here. I wanted to have this thing over to show you guys. So you can see the numbers, basically. I took the session off. Let me show this, the line, so you can see the session. The session breaks. So in the beginning of this session, which is, my time, well, yeah, my 20, 9 o'clock. I mean, 8 o'clock. This is what it's done so far in my time. Which is, that's when the session, just the kind of, that we call a day from here, 8 to 8, New York time. I like this. I like this. I like this. See here, okay, maybe let's zoom in. This is the 15 minute. 30 is not going to look like this. Well, it's similar. It's okay. Now, the higher you go up in the time frame, the stronger the indicators are. The lower you go in the time frame, the weaker the indicators are. Okay. So really, I mean, I would like to just kind of look at the day chart at the higher time frames, like, 4 hour at a day chart. But I'm seem to be trading, frequently, like on a daily, sometimes hourly basis. So, I'll tend to, look at the lower time frame. But this is nice. Starts out, these things come up and then they go boom, they crash. And it's the only thing going right now. Also besides, the other thing also, but okay. So I like this. This is resistance 1, 2, 3, support 1, support 2, support 3. This is going above this area of support. This is it's the Ichimoku. I explained those in my first 2 videos, what these are, but this is saying it's going to get a little bump, not crazy, a little bump up, but this is good to be on top of here. This is a good, nice, size of support. Yeah, that's a good, nice little $9 of support. That's great. The thicker this is, the stronger the support. This is on the 1 hour. Okay. All right. But it's coming up here and it's getting rejected. It gets resistance 3 and it's expanding. So now this is resistance 1. This is the pivot line and it's getting knocked down. It comes up, smack, up, smack. So at the 15, but what I like about this one, about Farm is the fact that this is, looking like it has good support. What's going on with my computer? Looking like it has good support on, let me pause this. It's looking like it has good support on, the 15. I'm surprised to see that, actually. that's kind of, yeah, that is a surprise. I mean, sometimes, you know, you go 15, it's above the support, it's above the Ichimoku, and, on the 30, it's below, you know, but not the case with this one. Okay. So I was really surprised to see that. So, and I saw it going from a negative, percentile into the positive. So yeah, so I'm in farm now. I've entered farmland. Yes, yes, yes. And some of these starting to, for the session, starting to show that, get those numbers up, boys. All right. Very good. Let's go. I'm gonna be falling behind here. Not happy with these two. So this is what I'm doing right now. Just a little update on what I moved to. The algo said to buy here, which it said at 7:30. It told you to buy at 7:30. Look where it is. It went from at 7:30. The buy notification came in 259. It's now at 2. It hit max 280, just a tick under 280. So 280 seems to be a significant round number. It's a psychological level right now. 300 got a ways to go, but if it continues this trajectory, I mean, see, this is nice. Even if it's slow, it doesn't have to be fast, but you know, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. That's nice. There was some others that I was going to talk about in the morning, and I was going to talk about what some of this is, cipher, the ABCD pattern, and all that stuff. Maybe get into that on the next go. But update of what I moved into, right for this month of August. Right here, August 17th, 2021. And I'll just keep you guys updated on what's happening as far as, the price, action. So this is going between 1.1%, up to about 2.1. It's bouncing back and forth. This is at 11. I didn't get into this only because this one, that's kind of, I mean, this right here, it's sat for several days and popped. It's already gone into its channel already. I mean, if it were like here, like if I had caught it back here, somewhere like that, I would have got into it. But because it's already trading in a range, there's not, you know, it's gonna be like that for a little bit before it takes off. If it takes off, I mean, break down, I don't know, but it's in a range, so it's not gonna really, not gonna really go anywhere at this point. This is great. This just popped its head up above the cloud, which is, a very good thing. I'm just gonna retest this, 280. It already was up above it earlier, like that last session. So that's great. It's coming to retest. So I expect this to, hold up, this is actually, oh, look at that. What do we got here? Ooh. We're about to have, looks like we're about to have a breakout, folks. Yes, yes, yes. Breakout on the FARM USD. See you on the next one.